This is the Hedging Grid Pro EA, designed to combine two powerful trading methods, hedging and grid trading. Built with FXdreema, this expert advisor focuses on minimizing risk exposure while creating opportunities in both trending and sideways markets. The core idea of this EA is balance. By using a grid system, it places trades at defined intervals, while the hedging logic helps offset losses by opening opposite positions when market conditions shift. This dual-layer approach helps smooth out equity curves and provides a structured method of handling volatility. The EA also integrates flexible input settings. You can adjust grid distances, lot sizes, sideways filters, and profit targets to match your personal trading style and risk tolerance. Whether you want to run fixed lot hedging or dynamic position sizing, this system is designed to adapt. Like all automated strategies, it's not a plug-and-play money machine. Before going live, traders should fully understand the logic behind grid and hedging systems, carefully evaluate the risks, and always backtest with 99.9% tick data for realistic results. This video is part of the Build a Forex EA Robot, no-code, FXdreema series from Mqlrobot EAS. Explore, learn, and develop trading systems with confidence, but always test before real trading.